Hey viewers, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create your email templates on Mailchimp. So first step, you're going to open your browser and then go to your Mailchimp account. Now here on your dashboard, as you can see, to create your email template, just click on the create button at the top left hand corner of your screen. So once you click on this create button, then you'll be taken into this page. So as you can see, create something that gets noticed. So here you can choose either you're creating regular email, automation, or landing page. So because we're creating an email template, so basically we're going to use or select this regular email and click this design email button. So once you click on this design email right from here, so you will now be taken into the next page. So here, as you can see, this is the page where we want to change the name right here. For example, we want to create an email template. So I'm going to name this as welcome email, then click save. So as you can see, this is the step-by-step action that we can do. So we can add recipient, edit from, add subject, edit send time, and design email. So basically we don't have an email template yet, so we're going to design email. So click this button. And then as you can see, you will find a bunch of templates that you can use from. So we have a lot of templates that we can use to be able to create email templates. So you can just select any of the templates here. For example, so you have here some different templates like this one. As you can see, we have here like bold, minimal, natural, simple text, gallery, survey, SMS, column, or like this one at the bottom. We have like make an announcement, tell a story, welcome, educate, and weekly newsletter. So in this case, I'm going to select any of the templates. So in this sample, I'm going to use the template at above. So basically there are like free trials right here, but I'm going to use basically a free template. So like this one, you need to subscribe to a plan. So in this case, I'm going to select this. So click on apply button. Now here, as you can see on a email builder or email template builder, so we can basically select any elements here that you want to change or customize depending on your preference or branding. For example, if you want to select any elements to edit here, just click on that element. For example, here on this heading, so we're going to delete this one. And if we're going to change the logo, just click this image. And basically it will show you some options here to replace the logo, and you can select your own image or logo here on your computer. So as you can see, we have just changed our logo, and we can basically drag the corner of the image to basically adjust the size. So if you want to make it more bigger logo, or you want to make it smaller. So basically you can also change the alignment on your email. So if you want on the left, center, or right, or you want it to make it full view. So basically if you want it to make it smaller, so you just have to drag this corner and make it smaller like this. So there you have it. You can also add some link if you want to add your website link or email link, and you can just input the URL address, and you can change the color background if you want. So basically you have so many options here. Now if you want to change the image right here, for example, then basically click this one and click on add to upload an image or browse image. So in this case, I'm going just select the image right here. I'm going to add. So there you have it. Now once your image is added, you can basically customize this one. Just click on that. You can change the alignment. So like this, as you can see here. So if you want to be centered, and you can also add some links and URL address. And also if you want to change the color background. So as you can see, if you want to make it different, so just like that. And then here we have also some options like this dynamic content. Basically, if you click on the image and click on edit image, then you'll be taken into a page where you can edit or customize your page right here. So as you can see, the image editor, you can change the crops or the size of an image, for example here. And then we have also some options if you want to change the filters. For example, if you want to make it colorful or like black and white, vintage, smooth, cold, winter, or legacy. So if you want like a smooth color here, just select on that. And then if you want adjust some focused right here, for example, I want to make it radio and I want to focus on the product. So basically this is just an example, but if it's the product, then it will be focused on that product. So there you have it. And once you've done here, just click on the save button at the top right. So as you can see, we have just customized our image on the email. Now, if you want to change the size of an image, basically drag the corner. And as you can see here, if you want to make it smaller or bigger image. Now you can change also the text design. For example, here, I'm going to change it into Welcome to Zion. And if you don't want this font, basically, you just have to select the font, and at the top, you will find some options like this one if you want like heading 2 or heading 1 to make it more bigger, or if you want to change the font style here, you just have to select. So these are all free, so you can basically select the font that you want. So for example, like this one. And then we can also change the paragraph text right here. So select on that, and we can also change the font style right here. Same on the heading. So like this one. And also we can change the font size or adding some text color. So depending on your preference or branding. So I think it should be like darker color. So there you have it. Or if you want it more bold, italic, or you want to input some underline, strike through like there, or link, or you want to add some like edit the height or letter spacing, bulleted list, or add some numbered list. So basically you can just change also the font here. So in my sample here, I'll just change it into another color. I will get back into the black color right here. And then I'm going to change the text right here. So this is very important to create an engaging text. So it will be a crucial for creating an email templates. But basically you can just edit this one. You can come back to this page and you can edit as long as you want. So for example, I'm going to enter, hey there, thank you for joining Zion. And then I'm going to add something like we here at Zion, and then focus on personal style and aesthetic, for example here. And then I'm going to add another one. Okay. We will show you how to build your own email template. So this is just an example. You can do it yourself here. And then once done, we can now change the button text here. So I'm going to change the button text into, for example, try it now. So this is important too. This is a call to action button, or maybe shop now. Yeah. And then we're going to add some links on your website, email, phone, file, or landing page. So select any of this one. So I'm going to add a web page, for example, and then enter the URL address right here. So you can change the alignment, and also you can change the size or shape of the button. I want it here, and then you can basically change the border So there you go. And then the color too. If you want different color, like there. So if not, so basically just have to undo your action. And then we have also here some options. So there have it. Now we can add some social links here. I want to add some Facebook links, Instagram link, X account link, or add another social link here, email, or add some website like my YouTube account. Or if I want to add another social link like my TikTok account. So basically you just have to just add it right here, and you can change the icon style. So depending on your preference too. So basically I just want this one. I want it to make it like larger like this, and the alignment centered, and also the spacing. All right, I'm going to select 30, and then the color. So basically you can choose if you want a light color or maybe a dark color or colored icon. So basically here I'm going just change it into dark color. So this is the colored icon right there. So going back to dark color, and then we can also add some like options on here, and on the footer we can just basically customize this one. For example, copyright, you can change it into the current year. So basically here it having some challenges entering the year. So I'm going to put 2024. All right, so I think we should have to delete some of the icons like this one. There you have it, and we can add it here, Zion. Okay, type Zion and delete all of the unnecessary icons here. Okay, and on the second one I want to delete this, and also at the bottom. All right, so there you have it. So we have just created an email template. So once you've done here, you can now preview your template. Just click on the preview button and you'll find your desktop view, and also you will see your mobile view right there. Once done, click on X, and we have to save this one. Click on the drop down menu, and here you can send test email, save as template, or change template. So I'm going to save this as a template right here, and they name this as Zion, and then click on save button. All right, so as you can see, return to campaign. So if it's not automatically returned to campaign, then click on save and exit right there at the top right, and then you will now go back to your campaign page. So there you have it. Now we are on the email campaign page. Basically you can now add some information about your email, your subject, or some recipients right there, and the sending time, and also you can just edit your design. So right here. So there you have it. That's how you basically create an email templates on Mailchimp. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.